Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Dev Inshal. Today I will show you how to build one background image in HTML and CSS, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this project, also like enjoying all the previous projects of HTML and CSS. Like we have covered many of the thing in HTML CSS previous on previous videos, and I was just not bringing some of the videos from since like 2 or 3 days, but now I will be uploading video from consistency, and every one day my video will be uploading, and that will be really helpful for you, and you will be learning more things from that. So if you are learning more things from that, and if you are just able to make these things, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn how to do code, what is HTML and CSS, and how to make projects with that, because that all things are really important for them also and for you also in your professional life. So just now we will be starting with our project of background image. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just making a project of like background image, how to put a background image on our background. I will show you how to do that. So it is really short video if it will be, but it is really helpful for you, because from that you will be learning that in whole of the page, like in HTML and CSS when we make a file, so in page how to add a picture. So I will be telling you how to do that, but before that you have to open your Sublime Text here. So you can just open that by writing Sublime Text, and in previous videos I have also telling you how to download that, so you can check that out if you are new here. And here I will be taking two new files, one of HTML, one of CSS. So just I will be saving this file from here, and simply I will be just giving the name of image.html, and I will be saving that on desktop, and simply this one image also I will be saving on desktop with the name of image.css. So here this you have to take a good image, so your image should be looking beautiful and should look more attractive towards people, so they can see your picture like how it is coming at your background. So you can take from any websites, like you can just write here background image is good, or you can just take from Unsplash or anything like that. So I will be going to unsplash.com to take these photos. So here I will be going to this website. You can see there are many of like photos here, or you can say images. So you can take any images from here if you want. So here you have to just simply write background image and press enter. And when you will be doing that, so there will be many of like good background image will be coming here. So you can take any background image from here which is really good for you. So I will be taking any simple background image because I want to only show you. So I will be taking this one. So here just you have to press, and it will take some time to just open because it will be collecting data. You can see it is iStock image, so I am not taking because here it is with purchase. So you can also purchase the image from here if you want to do that, but we don't have to do that. Simply I will be moving down. You can take from here, or you can just take from here or anything like that. Simply I will be now taking this one, and you can see download for free. You have to press here, then it will be downloading, and you can see it has downloaded. Just I will be doing one thing now. I will be closing this, and here continue because it is still downloading. So when you've done that, you have to simply go to your Sublime Text, and when you will be downloading your picture, so it will be coming on this download tab. So when it will be just coming on this download tab, so here you have to do one thing. Just I will be deleting some of the things from here which are not really good for me. So here I will be moving here, and then if I show you, you can see the image is downloading. So these are some of the things, and here if I show you another website, you can go to Pixabay, or you can go from like you can go to pixels.com because it is really also good website. Here if I show you, so press enter and it will take you to the website of pixels.com. It is also a website from which you can just take pictures. You can see there it is, so you can take from pictures here also, or you can say pixels, or you can say like that. So you can take any picture from here. So you can see my image has been still downloading, but here I want to show you, like if I take any other image from here, if I move here and go to my website folder, so in images folder there are many images, but we have used this image already, so I will be not doing. I will be first of all writing some of the code, still my image is downloading, so because of that. So here you have to simply come here and write some of the HTML codes, like write HTML, press tab here, and you can see all the starting code of HTML has been done. So here you have to write some of the title, but simply I will be now refreshing this, or you can say save that, then open your image.html file. You can see it has opened. Simply I will be doing that side screen so you can see my code. So there are not many enough codes which you can just see here. So if I come here, do like that, you can see. So here if I just show you the title, here it is image.html where it is written, and if I just write here background image in my title and save this, so if I hit refresh, you can see that background image has been changed here at the top, and there it is written background image. So here when you've done that, simply you have to go to body, then make one header tag, because in this header tag I will be making a nav tag, and in which I will be making a navbar class. Simply I will be pressing enter, here I will be making a nav tag, here I will be moving and making a class of navbar. So simply I will be writing div tag here, then you have to write class. So remember, you don't have to write class name, just class. Then press navbar, here you have to move down, then just simply write here your image. So here I will be not writing my image because I don't have any image. So simply I will be doing one thing now. Here I will be just do like that. So when you've done that, simply save this. Here I will be now moving. Then I will be just writing some of the things here like dot header. But before that, I want to write some of the font. So I will be also writing some of the things here. If you want to write, you can write here. So but I am just only showing you how to add a background image here on your page. So here I will be writing like background image. So here when you've done that, save here, move here, save here also, and hit refresh. You can see it is coming here. And here I will be doing one thing. I will be just writing here dot navbar, and simply I will be writing the padding of 500 pixel. Save that, reload. So you can see nothing happening here. So here if I just move, so you can see we have written the class, but it is just not happening. So simply I will be doing like that, save that, again do like that, and hit refresh. Move here, refresh. So when you've done with that, here I will be doing one thing. I will be writing 200 and then refresh. So here it is not moving still yet. So here I will be writing 15 pixels, save and reload. So you can see that our background image is here, which we have written. So when you're done with that, here you have to do one thing. First of all, we have to link our style sheet. So we are just doing mistake here. So you have to write link, then is link your style sheet by writing image.css. So when you've written that, save this and now move here and just save that here again. Then here you have to write this dot navbar, and then here I will be writing a tag which will be like padding 500 pixels, so we can check how it is coming. Save and now reload. You can see it is just coming like that, but we don't want like it should be coming like that. So simply I will be doing that 300, save and reload. So you can see just we want some of the margin, so it can just go in center. 5 to 50 pixel and reload. So you can see it is going. So but I will be doing that 300, save here and reload that. So when you're done with that, here you can see it is in center, but still one thing is not coming like it is. The background image is just still not coming here. So simply I will be doing that 100, save, reload. So you can see now it is going top. So now we are just getting our image at the top, and here when you've done that, simply I will be just doing here, and you can see that now it is looking good. And I will be taking its size to bigger. So for doing that, I will be first of all coming here, giving it a font family. You can just give any font family here. I will be giving Poppins, and here I will be now writing here a simple thing like you can say this image is open. So now our image has been downloaded here, so I will be closing that, moving to my folder. Here I will be just changing this name here to image3.jpg. Just take this to desktop, so our image should be coming here, and then I will be doing like refreshing that here. And then when you've done with that, simply I will be now, we have done that, so here I will be now giving these columns. Here I will be writing Poppins, sans serif, save here and reload that. So you can see Poppins has been changed here. Now I will be doing one thing here, like I will be making it more good looking. So here I will be coming back, but before these all things, first of all I will be making a header tag in which I will be defining my background image. So in this background image I will be writing URL, and in this I will be writing image3.jpg. Save here and reload that. So if I show you, you can see we are just not getting any image here. So if I just show you, this is the JPEG file here which we are getting. So here I will be now coming, then I will be writing background attachment text. So just write here, and then here I will be writing background size hour. When you done that, just simply write background repeat, no repeat, so we can set our image here. Then you have to write here background, and then change that to like here nothing, because we have written the things which we need to write here, but some of the things are missing, so we have to write the width and height also. So our image should be set good. Save here, reload that. You can see image is still not coming, so simply I will be making that to double columns, and if I do that, save here and reload. Okay, so when you're done with that all things, simply I will be moving here, and you can see we are just getting image 3.jpg. Here I will be now coming, then simply I have to move to this and saving this file here, and here I will be just reloading this. So you can see that our background image is just not showing here yet. So here now when you're done with that, just you have to do another. Here you can see we have just written that, but our image is not showing, we have written. So here I will be now taking this one image, because this image size is really big, so because of that the image is not coming. So take care about the size. You can also short this style, this size if you want to do that, but I will be taking only this image, so it will be looking good. Simply I will be moving, and here I will be writing image 1. Save that here and reload. You can see this image has been just coming, and we are getting a background fixed. So here I will be now erasing this width and height from here. Save that and reload. So you can see that our image is coming through the background, but it is still empty from the top and everything. So for that you have to come here and write width 800, and you can just write % if you want to write that, and height also same. So when you've written that, save here and reload. So you can see that image has been now big enough. So like that you can just build that all things. So when you've done with that here, now we will be changing this background image, so it should be looking good. And here I will be now coming simply here and changing its font size. So here I will be writing 60 pixel, because nothing is here. Refresh, and you can see it's 60 pixel and color should be white. Save and reload, and then I will be moving here, and I will be changing this image into a span text. So here I will be writing this, and in this I will be writing image and erasing from here, and I will be giving another color to this. Here I will be moving, first of all saving that, and then I will be just writing a span. So simply move span, and here I will be writing color, and then I will be just writing the color of like that. Saved, and when you've done that, you can see we are just getting our back. So you can see we are just getting our background image, and here you can also change its color, like if you want to do that again. So you can just simply move here, and you can just change this color to like any color you want to change here. Simply just write here like any of like color you want to write. But here I will be now doing one thing. I will be just saving this, and then I will be changing this color to blue. Save, and here I will be reloading that. You can see now it is looking good. We are just getting a background image here. So like that you can put a background image if you want to put, and here we are just getting a text at the center. So you can make just like that. So I hope you understand how to build these all things, and I hope you understand and enjoy this project. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, because these videos will be just coming up, and that will be really helpful for you. Like we have shown, and I have shown you how to write text on background image, and how to put a background image in HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy. So if you have enjoyed, like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new here, subscribe on my channel, because I will be bringing these videos and many of the other programming videos that will be really helpful for you. So just I will be meeting you in next project. So for today, goodbye.